Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be prepping and actually spraying some rattle can ceramic coating on these headers. And my thoughts are, since they were used, I have downtime because I can't put the headers on it yet. I was thinking I'd be doing myself a disservice to just have them still be kind of dirty and bare. Last time I did the heat wrap on the headers, which I didn't like at all because I had fiberglass in my hands for 3 weeks after the fact, and I heard that it could cause them to crack. I also heard it could cause them to rust with holding moisture. So overall, bad idea on my part. Granted, I'll probably just take the wrap off when I put it on the other car. But so here I have some not sweet tea. This is actually Simple Green. I bought the 2-liter jug and then put 2 liters of water, which is why it's in a gallon jug, which is easy for me. And then I'm going to be putting it in this spray bottle. I think this spray bottle was like $5. The Simple Green was just under $5, and the Scotch Brite was, I think the bill for this and the Simple Green was like $11, and then this on Amazon was $10. So for basically just about 20-25 bucks, I'm gonna see how effective this way is of ceramic coating something versus going to like the Cerakote and like actually having it be powder coated. So let's get into it. On a side note, I've actually never used Simple Green to clean off things, but I still got a lot of oil and stuff on here. So let's see what it looks like on there. I'll just let it set for a second and kind of use one of my brushes and see how well that looks before I put all this stuff on the car too. That'll be kind of nice as a side note. But more importantly, I'm gonna throw a tarp down and we'll get to these headers. Apologize for not showing safe habits. Please wear gloves when you do anything with removing material or using chemicals like this. You never know what can happen. So obviously it's not perfect, but it looks a heck of a lot better than it did before. Wow. On camera, it actually probably looks a little better than it does in person, but that's absolutely incredible. Just a little bit of the Scotch Brite and that can make that header look back to almost new. Obviously some spots are a little harder to hit than others. Some of them like that, I just think that's heat. I can't really get that out of the header, but let's flip it over here. Really, even the flange there looks good, and everything down to that actually looks really good. So I'm excited to see what the next one's going to look like. Just a little side-by-side comparison. Obviously, that's the one I just did. That's the one I'm going to do next. But wow, just take a look at that. That's a big difference. This is definitely my favorite one I've done so far. That actually looks really amazing. I might even go back down and retouch up a little bit right here, just because everything else on this pipe looks just about brand new. So let's keep kicking. Yeah, all these pipes are really turning out great, to be honest. So I'm really in love with the work I'm actually putting into this to make it look good. So hopefully it all turns out great once I get them painted. After cleaning all the under panels, the aluminum tray, and these 4 exhaust components there, both the headers and the pipes directly after, this is still what I have left out of the first spray bottle. And I still have the full rest of the gallon jug still. So this is actually very cheap to do with just this, and as you see the results, I would say that this is a great product to use on your exhaust system if you do want to clean it like what I'm doing. As for common knowledge, as I was thinking about pouring that, the exhaust system will go back to looking exactly what they did if you don't coat them with something. That's why I'm using the ceramic coating, to see what that does and what it looks like and how I like it. So obviously there's not a completely rust proofing cleaner for the exhaust system, especially because of how many heat cycles it goes through, but cleaning it like this will make it look like that for a short period of time. Ceramic coating it with the rattle can there should actually keep it like what it looks like now, well, what the paint color looks like, for a while. So obviously nothing is lifetime, but I think the ceramic coating rattle can should do exactly what I need it to do without touching the header wrap. So let's keep it rolling. So as you guys see, all the pipes are cleaned up to the best of my ability. I might touch the headers a little bit off camera here, but we're gonna let these all dry out and we'll get to painting them probably tomorrow or later tonight. So we'll see you then.
So obviously things never work out in the way that I want them to work out. The weather hasn't been cooperating. It's obviously raining. I'm not gonna paint those headers or ceramic coat the headers inside. So I'm gonna upload this as a part 1, which I don't really like doing, but this is going up on a Thursday. I will have the header painted as a special video on Saturday. So please bear with me. Hopefully between now and the Saturday, I'm gonna get this uploaded, that I do get a break in the weather and I'm able to actually get something accomplished. Obviously the headers won't be installed yet because I do have to pass E-check first, as I keep saying, but thank you guys for watching this video. Part 2 will be up Saturday, so only like 3 days after you guys see this one. Thanks for bearing with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
surprises me is actually how shiny it is right now. I'll update you guys at the end of the video if that is how it's actually going to sit or if it actually dries out like I think it's already doing, but I'll let you guys know. All right, so there's plastic part number 2. That obviously looks good too. I'm gonna go throw it over by the other one and see if it actually does fade back out to like the normal plastic color, if it actually stays darker than what it has been. So I'll let you guys know. Update on the under panels. The aluminum one looks amazing, and the black under panels actually look very good as well. They definitely didn't look like they dried out, and they stayed like a little bit more of a rich, moisturized plastic instead of the dried out plastic like I've seen them be since I've owned the car. So I say that the simple green works really good on these, as well as with Scotch-Brite on those exhaust tubes and headers. So I think for the price, under 25 bucks and a little bit of hard work and effort, you can make them cleaned up, and I'd say it's really worth it.